Wow, you're recording, Rachel?
Teacher skit's always the funniest.
I have a t-shirt. Later on.
Welcome, Rancho Bernardo princes and princesses, to the Bronco Palace. Once upon a time, there was a king named King LeMaster, and he lived in the Bronco Palace in Rancho Bernardo. Every year, he threw a ball for all of the subjects of the kingdom.
Greetings, fair Broncos. As the Bronco Ball approaches, we have 4 Prince Charmings who need to find their date for the ball. We will have a competition to see who wins each prince's heart.
Here come the 4 princes now.
I want my name to smart.
Evil Queen and Snow White, please solve the following problem. The one to get the answer right wins the heart of our first Prince Charming. I'm sorry, Evil Queen, but that is not the correct answer. Congratulations, Snow White. You have won the heart of Prince Charming #1. And now
the sun goes down, the stars come out, and all I know is you and me. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you did.
Too strong.
Ursula and Ariel, please step forward. Each one of you must try to lift this sword from its stone. The one who lifts the sword from the stone wins the heart of Prince Charming #2. Stepmother and Cinderella, please tell the kingdom your best joke. Whoever is funniest will win the heart of Prince Charming #3.
Do you know what the green grape said to the purple grape? Breathe, you idiot! Breathe!
Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bay, they'd be bagels. Congratulations, Cinderella. You have won the heart of Prince Charming #3. Just make sure you're home from the ball by midnight and try not to lose any shoes this time.
I want my date to have the most powerful spirit in the entire kingdom.
Rapunzel and Evil Witch, it is up to you two to show us your Bronco spirit. Take it away, ladies. Let's see your news.